Hello, repellers, chosen ones, and empaths. I hope you all are doing well. I want to thank you for stopping by and listening in today. Today's topic will be why the narcissist Hoover you, then blocks you. In this video, I'll explain to you the many reasons this could be happening. And I'm sure by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of why this may be happening. So you have to understand the narcissist wants to be seen as the center of your world, or better yet, your universe. The narcissist is checking in on you from afar, trying to gain insights as to how you're doing and feeling after the fantasy has cleared and their true self has appeared. So, with blocking you, the narcissist is expecting you to chase, run behind them, beg for their attention, try to work things out. So, they're not blocking you to erase you, they're not blocking you to forget about you. The narcissist is blocking you for a reaction. Because, see, the narcissist will just try and re enter your life as if nothing has happened. Not bringing up the past, not apologizing about anything that has took place. But they will only try to enter your life if you allow it. Now, for some of us, me included, we have gave the narcissist a second chance, maybe a third chance, a fourth chance. But that was in the past. That was in the past when we wasn't aware of who and what we were dealing with. But knowing who this person is, knowing this person's true colors, that's just something you can't unlearn. But those chances before taught you what it was you needed to know regarding the narcissist. Because see, the narcissist is want to be this big, this bold, this center of everyone's life. But see, the narcissist wasn't aware that we were going to educate ourselves. We was going to find out more information about human behavior. We're going to watch videos like this and videos alike. We are more aware and more equipped for the BS that comes along with the narcissist. We're gaining knowledge around the subject. We're putting two and two together. We're no longer asleep. We're really woke now. So the narcissist is trying to gain some type of information on you. Now, if you're not on social media, the narcissist doesn't have anyone to contact to find out information about you. The narcissist is in their head, wondering what is going on with you, wondering how you're doing, wondering how you're feeling. But you could be wondering, why is this person reaching out after everything that has been done, after everything that has been said, because see, the narcissist leaves things in such a messy way till they burn bridges, and it's hard for the narcissist to come back. It's very, very hard. But understanding the narcissist is a predator. They was constantly watching you, even after the relationship ended. The narcissist has always been watching you, keeping up with you, wondering how you're doing, if you're doing better than them. Because see, when things start looking up for you, you're starting to pick yourself back up. You're starting to get around to doing things that makes you happy. And you could be broadcasting this on social media. You could be the narcissist. For some of you, the narcissist may be getting information from friends or family. You can expect the narcissist to Hoover. But remember, always remember, this person, this narcissist, was never a team player. Always been about self, always been about what they can get out of someone. This narcissist has always been your op, your opponent, always been in competition with you. So there will be times when the narcissist Hoover just to try and figure out if you're doing better than them. Yeah, sick and twisted individual. Make sure you set clear and strong boundaries with the narcissist that was in your life. And that narcissist will get a dose of reality that they're manipulating ways, all the future faking, that fantasy life they promise you, all the gaslighting they have done to you, and whatever other tricks they may have tried to conjure up. It no longer works on you because you are aware of who they are. You are aware of what comes along with narcissism. And the game is over. Because, see, the narcissist is so delusional. They could be reaching out thinking, oh, they still have a chance. Oh, you still want them back. But lock your door. Lock your door. Throw away the key. Please, people, don't let this person back in your life. Once you know who they are, things only get worse. The more chances you give to a narcissist, it only gets worse. Take your healing journey serious. I promise you, you will make it to the other side. So I thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye bye.